Sorry about that, folks. We're back to our story.
Alright guys, it looks like I peed myself. And then, so, after it dried, you know, all that other stuff, I got up, finally. But the guys were looking at me. There was another girl, obviously, but there were two other guys that were single, right? Yeah. So there I was walking.
Was she blonde?
Yeah, she was blonde.
Figures.
So I walked back to my table, and lo and behold, there's an orange soda at the ledge. You know what happens? I accidentally knock it over on the skirts. And that's my story. I had to sit there for 10, 20 minutes, maybe now half an hour. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. And now it's purple because my mom didn't wash it.
Well, that just sucks, y'all. Okay, we don't have much time, so we'll just kind of
Not a lot of time.
So we'll just kind of end it by saying...
One more thing. If you're going to homecoming, we're going to see you there, and we're also going to do Gigolo because we're going to be in the back.
And we're going to do it